Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with Marinemax here in Houston, coming to you today with a 2018 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. This is a really cool boat that Grady-White makes, kind of like a hybrid between a bay boat, but also a little bit deeper hull, so maybe you could go out further in the bay or maybe offshore a little bit. Lots of features here. You've got flip-up backrests under both of these seats, one of them down where you'd be able to remove that cushion and walk through there. One of them flips up, so you have seating for at least 3 people back here. Storage under each of these seats, including a live well in the center seat here, which is not the only live well on this boat. You'll see that it's powered by a 300 horsepower Yamaha. A lot of power for this boat, makes it a really good riding boat with plenty of power to get to where you need to be. There's rod holders built into the gunnels on both sides here, plenty of room for those. Into the leaning post here, you've got your rocket launchers on the back, and you've got another live well built into the leaning post, so plenty of storage for bait or even fish that you're going to take home. On the dash here, you can see there's plenty of room for displays and electronics. We've got a Fusion stereo equipped with this boat, Yamaha digital display for your engine controls, and of course tilt steering with an Edson steering wheel. Also notice the hardtop, it's painted to match the gel coat color scheme on the boat. It's really a beautiful thing that Grady-White does that some other companies don't. Nice hardtop, plenty of room, storage for anything you'll need up there. Moving forward, we've got a full head compartment with a pump out head. Plenty of storage down there as well, which leads us to the front of the boat where you've kind of got your lounging area, but also doubles as a casting platform. So as you can see, these seats here, they fold down. These cushions will pull off and remove away. All of them will actually store in the head compartment. You have a full casting platform up here, and this is removable too if you wanted that open feel. You've got another compartment here with an insulated cooler section, and just plenty of storage all over the boat. You'll notice Grady-White really doesn't skip a beat with utilizing all the space in the boat. This is a fantastic boat for bay fishing, maybe even going a little further than that. Again, it's a 2018 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer, brand new here at Marinemax in Houston. Come see me, Steven Smith, today.